Imagine you're teaching a course and you want to know today who can really interpret a blood count report and who still needs help. Moodle's competency tracking makes that crystal clear. Everything starts with the competency itself. Inside Moodle settings, I type the skill as a single sentence. Interpret a blood count report accurately. Moodle quietly stamps that sentence with a unique ID so it can recognize the skill no matter where it appears in my course. Next, I add a simple scale. Something like not yet, satisfactory, proficient. That little 3-step ladder tells Moodle exactly what good enough looks like. Now the platform has both the skill I care about and the quality levels that matter. Time to put the competency to work. I open a quiz or assignment, click the Competencies tab, and align the activity to the skill. I'm saying if students pass this quiz, that proves they can interpret blood counts. From this moment on, Moodle watches every click related to that quiz. A student, let's call her Alice, takes the quiz and hits submit. In a split second, Moodle records her score in the gradebook, fires off a tiny data packet called an XAPI statement that links Alice's action to that specific competency ID and checks her score against my scale. If she scores 80% or more, Moodle flips her status from not yet to proficient. No spreadsheets, no manual updates, done. Back on my dashboard, each competency appears as a traffic light bar: red for needs work, amber for almost there, green for mastered. One glance tells me who requires help before the final exam. Click on Alice's name and Moodle shows every quiz, question, forum, post, or assignment that contributed to her progress. Concrete evidence I can share with accreditation bodies or curriculum committees. Because the data flows in the moment students finish an activity, I can deliver feedback while it still counts, point struggling learners to extra resources, and even spot class-wide gaps in understanding. Formative assessment stays authentic and trackable from click to competency. Define the skill, add a scale, align an activity, and let Moodle do the heavy lifting. I get instant insight, students get timely feedback, and everyone walks into the final assessment knowing exactly where they stand. That's how Moodle keeps learning honest, and how technology turns one quiz into clear proof of mastery.